The differences in the ways women and men think and act are complex and multifaceted, influenced by a blend of biological, psychological, social, and cultural factors. While general trends can be observed, it's important to recognize the significant individual variability within each gender. This essay will explore these influences, providing a comprehensive understanding of why women and men may exhibit different patterns of thinking and behavior. Biological factors. 1. Brain structure and function. Research has shown that there are some structural and functional differences between male and female brains. For instance, the corpus callosum, which connects the left and right hemispheres of the brain, is often larger in women. This anatomical difference might facilitate better communication between the hemispheres, potentially contributing to enhanced verbal and emotional processing capabilities in women. Additionally, women typically have more gray matter in areas of the brain associated with language and social cognition, while men generally have more white matter in regions related to spatial skills and motor control. These structural variations may underpin some of the cognitive strengths typically associated with each gender, such as women's proficiency in language and men's spatial abilities. 2. Hormonal influences. Hormones play a crucial role in shaping the brain and behavior. Estrogen and progesterone, predominantly female hormones, and testosterone, predominantly a male hormone, influence brain development and functioning. These hormones can impact mood, cognition, and behavior. For example, fluctuations in estrogen levels, which occur during the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and menopause, can affect cognitive functions such as memory and emotional regulation. Testosterone, on the other hand, has been linked to aggression and risk-taking behaviors, which are more commonly observed in men. Psychological factors. 1. Cognitive abilities. There are some average differences in cognitive abilities between women and men. Women tend to excel in tasks involving verbal fluency, memory, and emotional recognition. Men, conversely, often perform better on tasks requiring spatial abilities and motor skills. These cognitive differences are believed to arise from both biological predispositions and the different ways in which boys and girls are socialized. 2. Emotional processing. Women generally have higher levels of empathy and are more adept at recognizing and interpreting emotions. This ability to attune to the emotional states of others is linked to both biological factors, such as the structure of certain brain regions, and social factors, such as the way girls are encouraged to nurture and communicate from a young age. This greater emotional sensitivity can influence women's behavior in social contexts, making them more relational and collaborative. Social and cultural factors. Socialization. From childhood, boys and girls are often socialized differently, which significantly influences their thinking and behavior. Girls are frequently encouraged to be nurturing, communicative, and cooperative. These socialization practices can lead to women developing stronger interpersonal skills and a greater emphasis on relationships. Boys, on the other hand, are often encouraged to be independent, assertive, and competitive. These socialization practices can lead to men placing a higher value on individual achievement and risk-taking. Such early social experiences can shape cognitive and behavioral patterns that persist into adulthood. 2. Cultural expectations. Cultural norms and expectations about gender roles also play a significant role in shaping behavior and thinking. Societies often have distinct roles and expectations for men and women, which can reinforce certain behaviors and ways of thinking. For example, women may feel societal pressure to fulfill caregiving roles, which can enhance their focus on social dynamics and relationships. Men, on the other hand, might be encouraged to pursue leadership roles, fostering traits such as assertiveness and decisiveness. Evolutionary perspectives. On evolutionary roles. Evolutionary psychology offers another perspective on the differences between men and women. According to this view, certain cognitive and behavioral traits have evolved in response to the different roles that men and women have traditionally played in human societies. For example, women's roles in child rearing may have led to the development of enhanced social cognition, empathy, and communication skills. These traits would have been beneficial for nurturing and protecting offspring. Men's roles in hunting and protection may have favored the development of spatial abilities, physical strength, and risk-taking behaviors. Individual variability. 1. Personal experiences. Despite the general trends, it is crucial to acknowledge the significant individual variability within each gender. Personal experiences, education, and unique environmental factors play a pivotal role in shaping how any person, regardless of gender, thinks and behaves. Individual differences in personality, intelligence, and life experiences can lead to a wide range of cognitive and behavioral patterns. Therefore, while it is possible to discuss average differences between men and women, these should not be taken as rigid determinants of behavior. Conclusion. The differences in how women and men think and act can be attributed to a combination of biological, psychological, social, and cultural factors. Brain structure and hormonal influences provide a biological foundation for some of these differences, while socialization practices and cultural expectations further shape behavior and thinking patterns. Evolutionary perspectives offer additional insights into the development of gender-specific traits. However, it is essential to recognize the significant individual variability within each gender. Personal experiences and unique environmental factors play crucial roles in shaping cognitive and behavioral patterns, making it clear that while general trends exist, they do not apply universally to all individuals. Understanding these multifaceted influences can foster better communication and appreciation of diverse perspectives between women and men. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe.